to build a plane. First, add these blocks. Like this. And then add a second block. And add one long block. Like this. That could be the wing. A dado wing. I meant the back dado wing. And this one block. And add more one block. And now the big wing. Oops. Okay. So leave 3 blocks. Like this. And build a dado wing. And these. And let these in. And let me find the other block. I guess I can't find some. I can't find some though. So I only use this propeller though. I don't know what's this. I meant wheel. And then this has to be the Okay, time to do it again. Okay, this is how you build the plane though. Wait, I feel like it's so heavy. Oh yes. Ow. It's not so heavy, but a bit heavy. Oh, wait. Can you just... Bro, let me make my screen. There you go. Oh, I breaked it. Yes, please. Cut this. Cut this. Just cut this.